And how's it going, guys? This is i7 Tech here, and today I've got two new products that I'm so excited to share with you guys, and I've been waiting for so long to show you guys these products. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into this video. Now, quick little history lesson. TAKEALOT is a e-commerce store that's based in South Africa and caters for the South African market. Now, they've been doing it for a very long time now, and they are a merger of two companies that were doing the e-commerce but were not successful, and when they came together, and then they made TAKEALOT. Anyway, back to what we're unboxing today. My most exciting product is the Boya-By M1, which is the lavalier, the cheapest lavalier you can find on the internet today. And I can't wait to unbox it for you guys and show you what's inside in a later video, not in this one. This one I'm just showing what's inside. Now, the second product is the Boya-By MM1 shotgun microphone. Now, these microphone and lavalier are the most cheapest and most affordable products you can find on the internet, which won't break your bank. Now, there are other lavaliers that cost over 8 to 1,000 rand, but these ones are affordable and they have great quality. I'm using one right now. So this has been a quick video of me unboxing these TAKEALOT products. If you want to know more or have any questions, leave in the comments down below, and I'll sure to answer them in the unboxing and full review of the specific products. Anyway, this has been i7 Tech. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and press that bell so you can stay notified of my videos. I'm i7 Tech, and I'll see you guys in the next one.